In this construction video, we're given a line segment with starting point A and a line with a point P on it, and we're to copy the line segment, or actually its length, onto the line so that the starting point A is the starting point P. This is the most used construction. You'll use it in almost every other construction. So let's get started. Let's have a line segment, 2 points, and the starting point, we want it to be A. Right click. It is A because it was our first point. So what we want to do is just show the label, and for the purpose of this math cast, we're going to make it thick and red so we can see it. So we go down to properties, we need to go to color, there's red, we take the style and change the thickness. So here is our line segment. Now we need a line, so we get the line tool, and we'll come over here so we can get our circle in here and make 2 points. Remember, all lines are determined by 2 points. We only want to see the 1 point, so we're going to right click on this one and deselect show object so we don't see it, and then we want this one to be labeled P, so we right click it. We see that it's C, so we rename it, type in a capital P, apply. So there are all our givens. Now we want this length here to be on this line. And notice that the lines are not parallel. That has nothing to do with it. All we want is this length here to become a line segment here. So how do we get all the points that are this distance from P? We draw a circle using our compass. Here's our compass tool.
Just like with a regular compass, we want to measure the length of the line segment. So we click on the start point, the end point, and then the circle center, P.
So there's the circle of all the points that are this distance from P, and we can either choose this point or this point. Both of these line segments are this length. We usually go to the right because we usually go to the right. So take our intersection tool and mark that intersection point. Now go and get our line segment tool, mark off the line segment, and now we would like to be able to see that. So what we're going to do is right click on it, choose the segment, go down to properties, say we want it to be thick and red. There's our red. And while we're in here, we're going to make our circle dotted, so that it's not quite so visible. So now here we have copied this line segment onto this line. Now if our construction is good, we should be able to move the end point here and this line segment changes. Let's see. There we go. So our construction is good. We have copied the line segment onto the line.